All right, brother.
For this building. Clear.
Gotcha, brother. I got you.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
What's going on, brothers? Today I'm gonna do some CQB ninja stuff.
Yep.
You're gonna come up to the wall.
Correct.
I'm ready. Put that muzzle down range. That bad guy pops up. You're just like, yeah!
Out here with Leah, hanging out, dude. Checking out the new Avalon series from VFC. Hardcore pew pew for sure. So we're just pretty much clearing buildings out here at Victorville. This one's clear for sure. Cleared it about at least what, 6 or 7 times. At least. So yeah, man, checking out these new VR16 Avalon series from VFC. VFC, exclusively distributed by Elite Force. So, yeah, man.
Hot.
Yeah, they are pretty cool.
I like the lightning bolt trigger.
Oh, it is a lightning bolt.
It's a lightning bolt.
Dude, hold on, I didn't see. It's a lightning bolt. Like... I knew it was a flat trigger, but I didn't think it was
yeah.
Like lightning.
Fucking lightning bolt.
Yeah.
Lightning trigger, man.
Yep. So you know it's good.
That's how you know.
Okay, I got my stuff.
Everything with lightning is good. Just ask Jet.
Jet got some more ∞ We're gonna do some more cool smoke stuff.
Yeah. There you go. Perfect.
That one was awesome. Go, go, go!
The second person would immediately come and go this way, and then you both would go bang, 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 bang. And then for me, I would be like, oh, hit.
Or, like you're just so focused on scanning out the window, Leah, come over and just pull your rag for you. What's up, Leah?
What's up?
So that's a wrap, I guess. We're gonna... For now.
Nigel hasn't even broke a sweat yet.
Yeah, not at all. This is all water. I just, like, you know, I gotta play the part.
Yeah.
Sure.
You were like dousing your head in water and like, oh, hello.
Yeah. Tons of good footage of us today. Awesome pictures for sure. Do it again, you got plenty more, man. Get in there, brother. A sick 360 no scope, dude. Nice, clean, dude, that's clean. What is up, guys? 8:30 in the morning. We're down here in Victorville, over here in Victorville. 8:30, so I'm about to head down for breakfast, and then I think we're going to hit the highway and then head over to Walnut to Airsoft GI, meet up with their team over there, do some product spotlight review type things. I think old Airsoftology Jonathan's gonna meet us over there, so goodbye to hotel room number 1, and we're moving on.
Whatever you can find. Just
here, right sideways. Yeah, here we go.
Perfect.
wake up tomorrow, we're gonna meet up with Dave Bax from Airsoft Obsessed. We're gonna go back to the spot where we're doing our video shoot at the other day to do some more still photo shoots with Dave. So it'll be cool to work with Dave and see how he works, man. I'm a big fan of his work. So yeah, just chilling, licking wounds for now, man. I will see you guys next time. Oh, that's a good one, dude.
Oh, thanks, God.
What's up? Holy, can you see anything?
God damn. Fuck. Oh, yeah. Good one. That's a good one. I'm gonna take it.
Dave, number one question. I want to be an airsoft photographer. What's the best tip you got?
Make sure all your photos come out blue.
Nice, dude. All right, you heard it here first, guys. Dave Bax, Airsoft Obsessed.
Step back, there's a straight up nail, like when you're right here, there's no straight there.
See where that rusted out piece is?
That's true.
Right about
That's
there.
science.
That would really happen.
This building's clear, boys.
Wait, no.
What's up, guys? Back out here at Victorville, finishing up some more product shoots with Big Dave Bax back there, Airsoft Obsessed. Jet came across some findings
Guys,
that we
look
want
at
to.
look at these bullets. My goodness. How are they?
One of those is illegal. That's
Yeah,
against,
yeah. I think this one's Russian. This is definitely a Russian
Yeah.
bullet right here.
Anti-tank.
Oh yeah, you know what? I think this is an anti-tank round. Yep.
And people just leave this stuff laying around, so you got to be careful when you're out here at these old places.
Leave them laying around.
So, right on, dude.
Two, 7, 5, 3, final number 8.
Nice.
2753. We have a winner. Make some noise, guys.
All right. Yeah, so this is the old hospital at George Air Force Base. It hasn't been active for at least 10 years. There's all this terrible glass right here. Stand underneath that and just die. Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Wanna check this out or what, dude?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. So here's the thing, like, you can tell they're trying to keep people out because they're boarding stuff up. So obviously there's an issue with people getting in here. I would say built in the 80s, just based kind of on the architecture, being modern. A lot of broken glass.
Go down this way.
Huh?
Oh, man.
Hell no, dude. It's a nightmare.
Come on, Chad's up for it.
All right, Chad.